Planogram Builder Tutorial 7, Adding Accessories to the Database. In the previous tutorials, you learned how to add products to the database. You will now see how to add accessories such as shelf strips and bay headers. Go to the database editor. Next to Type of Items, select Accessories. Click on New Item. Accessories have different behaviors than products, generally defining where the accessory can be placed on shelves. You can find the list and descriptions of each available behavior with examples in the user guide. Choose Shelf Strip for this item. Enter your accessory information under Item Properties. Make sure to enter the correct dimensions and color. As with products, you can choose from various shapes for your accessory. Select Box Front, which is well suited for many accessories because the image is only applied to the front. Browse for image 1 on your PC. Here is the image we used. After creation, you will see the preview of the accessory. Click on Templates. Select predefined examples to display the templates provided with the software. Now drag Gondola, Shelves, to the viewing area. Access the task named Accessories. Select Personal to display the accessories from your own database. Now drag the accessory on a shelf. Note how it automatically hooks to the front edge of the shelf. Next, you can create a bay header as shown here. As with products, when you can't find a suitable shape, you can use shapes supporting transparent image backgrounds. Select Alpha Plane Standing in the list. Upload a PNG or TIFF image that includes a transparent background. This is our example image. Click Create to generate the new bay header. Try to place it on the shelf unit to see the result. Please consult the links under the video for detailed instructions in the user guide. This tutorial is now finished.